Just realized I've never given anybody much of a video of the front of the house. So there's the back addition. Those two giant trees will come down. There's a very large house. Now, we don't own all that field. It's about 30 yards. There'll be a new fence up. Our neighbor Stan owns the rest of that. He's part of the Fuller family that's selling the place. Back to the house, lots of overgrowth. And there is the magnificent magnolia tree that's in the front yard. I hope you can see that and tell what it's like. And there's the front of the house. It's really a nice, once it gets cleaned up, it'll be very nice. This tree is more than massive. It's about 4 times my body size just at the base. Kind of hard to get a perspective, I would guess, from this camera. And this will be the grandchildren soccer field. From the yard out to the road, and that fence will be the boundary. And then when I was talking in the other video about the field up front, this is it. Freshly bush hogged, looking good. As you can see, it goes back to the little shed back there where we were standing a few minutes ago. And the pond just straight down that fence line, straight down to the corner of the property. All right, hope you like it.